All right. Hey, hello guys. Hi. Okay, let's give it a moment for the others to join first before we begin. All right. Hi there. Hello Abdul. Hello AJ. Hello Bob. Hello Desiree. Hi, Iki Sign. If I okay, hi there. Hi Kelvin. Hi Neil. Hello Paresh. Hello Robin. Hi Rojin. Hello Simon. And hello Stephen. Oh, driving. Hey, good morning. Hello there. Hey, Desiree, if you're driving, please be careful. So yeah, let's give it maybe a few more seconds for the others to join first. So how was everyone's week? Everyone been trading? Today, Tuesday already. Yesterday, did you guys enter any trades? All good. Good. Nice. All right. Okay, so have you guys just asking, today, looking at the screen, we are doing a trading series on how to use the cTrader. So have you guys actually used the cTrader before? Let me check. Anybody has used cTrader? No, never. All right, no. All right, actually later on, once you guys take a look after this webinar, maybe you guys will be using that. Hey, hi there, Kelvin. So yeah, I remember last webinar, Kelvin, you actually asked about you asked about the smart money concepts webinar. Well, just now I just told Desmond about it. I just talked to him. So yeah, he's actually very interested to do a topic on that. Oh, Roger, you use TradingView. Yeah, same here. I also use TradingView. Hello, Diana. Hi there. Hello. Okay. All right. Okay. Awesome. Looking forward. Nice. Okay, let us begin. Okay, today, how to use cTrader. So very quick disclaimer. Any information contained on this webinar should be construed as advice and presented as educational material. Also, the information, any opinion shared by guests and speaker of the webinar, which is me, does not necessarily reflect the opinions or views of IC Markets. Also, this webinar is audio recorded and may be uploaded in the future. Right, just a few topics. All right, Diana, you asked what is the difference between Meta MT4 and cTrader. You don't see any differences except some fees. All right, so we can get right into that. We will be comparing it with the MetaTrader 4. So what is cTrader? How does it compare with that? The pros and cons, and a deep dive into cTrader. So actually, cTrader has some features like the alerts. Have you guys used the alert feature on TradingView? So MetaTrade MT4 doesn't have that alert thing. So TradingView actually they charge you, you have to pay for pro accounts on TradingView for that alerts. Well, on cTrader you can actually do it for free. You can do it on your mobile. Everything it's free. Oh, nice. You use cTrader. Sweet. So how do you like the interface? Right, just introducing myself. So my name is Chen Yongjing. So I'm the trade analyst for Everest Fortune Group. So we are an award-winning research firm. We are also the Technical Analyst Award finalist for the best forex and equity research for 2019, 2020, and 2021. So today we have a very special very special collaboration with IC Markets where we are bringing you guys the good stuff. All right. Moving on, what is cTrader? So if you let us maybe go to the website and show. All right. Go to the website, find out on cTrader. So you can go to cTrader, cTrader, download it, or even on the IC markets, secure.icmarkets.com/downloads. So I'll send that link to chat. So you can go over right here, MT4, moving up, where's the cTrader? So there's a cTrader desktop, there's a web, there's an iPhone, there's an Android application. So you can download it right here. You can click on that link. So just copy the link address to that. So that's the download. You can also download from the cTrader website. So yeah, just a very, very quick look at cTrader. Let me get right back to this. That's the presentation. All right. Let me swap. Okay, there's some issues. Slideshow. Wait, give me a moment. I'm having some issues with this. All right. Okay. All right. Just looking at cTrader. So it's actually a very, very nice charting software. And it's also like MetaTrader. It's a manual trading platform. And it's also a multi-asset forex and CFD trading platform. So they offer very, very nice, rich charting tools, advanced order types. So it's pretty much similar with MetaTrader, with the limit orders, buy stop, sell stops, order. So they have a pretty nice user interface, quite modern, pretty modern, and they have also very, very good backend technology, and it's available on multiple devices such as Android, phone, iPhone, okay, and the web app. So it's better to just download the desktop application if you are using it. Okay, just moving on, just a very, very quick view. If you guys are interested, just please click the link in the chat. You can download it, and then we can go through cTrader together. All right, there's also something called the cTrader copy. So later I'll show you guys. There's a very, very quick brief introduction to that cTrader copy. It allows anyone using cTrader to become a strategy provider. And also you can broadcast your trading strategy for commission or a fee. So you can earn some money just by using cTrader. And other traders can also search and copy your strategies or copy other people's strategies. So it's pretty much like a commitment-free investing, but as I think I did mention, or I haven't mentioned, if you want a commitment-free investing, I don't think trading is the right thing for you. So it's very, very similar to like you are copying Telegram signals. That's not the way to learn. You don't understand if you have a loss. You don't understand why you won also. So you also can use your own risk management settings. You can just press start copying. You can start, copying other people's trades. So Diana, you said you used the copy and you didn't like it much. Right. Hey, good day to you, Jamilu. Hi there, hi there. So you just lost only. Yeah. You got to see their, their Sharpe ratio, their capital, their trades, winning trades. So some of those I checked weren't very, very good. Yes, of course, you prefer your own analysis and you know what to do. Definitely. So you know when you are wrong, you can manage your own trade doing it properly. Next, another thing about cTrader, for MetaTrader 4, we have something called the MQL4. It's very, very similar to JavaScript. So who does programming? Who does programming here? Raise up your hands. Let me know. Okay, I can't physically see you guys. But any of you guys do some, manual programming EAs that you guys have done on MetaTrader, TradingView, or even, cTrader like this. So you can actually build your own application. So cTrader has an open API. It's free, very secure, and publicly accessible. Or you would like to do algorithm, you like to learn it, Yeah, all right. Yeah, just learn programming. So if you have a strategy in place, with programming skills, you can probably program it out. So yeah, many developers can actually, if you guys know programming, can leverage on the cTraders technology, their programming technology on web, mobile, and even the desktop application. So you can use and trade, with any cTrader accounts. Right. Maybe an idea for those who are programming. You can actually maybe program an alert that will send to your Telegram accounts. Have a bot that messages you when price hits a certain level, or you enter or exit the trade, also notifies you on Telegram. So next, we also have the cTrader web. It's actually very, very similar. It just looks the same. Looks the same as the desktop app, just that it's on the website. But I really, really highly recommend you guys to just download the cTrader app. So yeah, you can actually use cTrader from any browser, even on your phone, without any installation. All right, can you hear me? Shaker, can you hear me? Mic test. Because you said you can't hear me. Maybe your volume. Okay, all good, all good. Nice. Everyone else can hear loud and clear. Thank you. So Shaker, I think you might need to adjust your speakers. Right, can see and hear. Thank you for the confirmation, guys. All right, so we also have the cTrader mobile application. You guys can download it if you guys are on your phone right now. You can download it. So when you open the app, it looks like that. Is the C? Okay, it's not that. Is it that clear? It's the camera focusing. Okay, it's not focused that much. So yeah, this is the cTrader mobile app. So you can see I'm actually using a demo account. So you can actually use the mobile app. There's even an option to create price alerts. So you can actually create a price alert without paying for the Trading Views premium feature. So you can download it on Google Play or the App Store, and both versions are also optimized for tablet displays. I also know MetaTrader is also optimized for iPads, tablets. So quite a lot of features that you can trade on the go. All right. Moving on, how does it compare to MetaTrader 4? So just a very, very quick one, just have a very, very quick look. The main difference is the programming languages. Instead of a C+, we have a MQL4 and MQL5. This is for MetaTrader 5. Right, so built-in technicals, we can clearly see that cTrader has much more compared to MetaTrader, but you can actually buy indicators from the MetaTrader store. So there are more, just a very, very big difference. There are more EA's trading robots on MetaTrader compared to cTrader. So there are also more custom indicators on MetaTrader. So yeah, that's a very, very quick, brief one. All right. The very, very huge similarity between both, it's that both MetaTrader 4 and cTrader can be accessed via Windows, mobile devices, and web-based versions. So both platforms also support algorithmic trading through the use of trading robots. So you can actually program it to execute trades, build custom indicators, perform strategies, or even back testing. However, MetaTrader 4 is still regarded as having the best support capabilities, and it has a large online trading community where traders can easily find help if they require it. So support for cTrader's auto trading tool, on the other hand, may be limited. So also, both platforms support one-click trading as well as trading directly from the charts. So trading directly from the charts, as in you can actually drag your entry, drag your stop loss, drag your take profit on the chart. Very, very similar, both of them. Okay, Any questions so far? If I'm going too fast, do let me know. If I'm going too slow also, do let me know. Let's just drink a bit of water. All right, let's move on. Pros and cons. All right, all's good. Nice, nice. Okay, moving on to the pros and cons. So we are comparing cTrader versus MetaTrader. So how do the two platforms compare on some of the very, very critical areas for evaluating a trading platform? So comes to interface, what do you guys see? Can you import external indicator? Maybe we can get right into that. Is the next slide a deep dive into cTrader? That's the next one that we are going through. All right, moving on. No problem, Abdul. Right. So for user interface, just a very, very quick glance, very, very quick look. Which ones do you guys prefer? Which one is more modern? So this, okay, you wish IC Market will link with Trading View. Yes, definitely. So you can drag and drop, your trades easily there on the go also. So yeah, this cTrader is well known for its smooth. Well, definitely. Very, very smooth. Looks very modern, uncluttered, and user-friendly interface. Although MetaTrader 4's popularity is undeniable, many brokers still use MT4. When it comes to user interface, the ease of use, cTrader platform can be the clear winner. This is interface. Right. Novice traders are likely to prefer the simplicity of cTrader. So yeah, is very, very agreeable on that statement because when I first started using MetaTrader 4, I did not know what I was doing. I was just searching Google, how to use it. Whereas on the other hand, cTrader, later on I'll just open it up. Interface, the tools, very, very similar to TradingView, very, very modern. So MetaTrader, we do not have the magnet tool that is very, very lacking. MetaTrader does not have that versus cTrader and TradingView. Okay, just a very, very quick run through again. They both also have the support for auto trading functionalities. So yeah, for cTrader, they use C-Algo, while MetaTrader uses MQL4. But MT4 is still regarded widely as having the best functionalities in its auto trading tools. Why? Why is that so? Because MetaTrader 4 has a very large online community. Easier for users to find support for this platform on the internet. If you have any issues, you search the internet, you can just find out, how to fix the issue you're facing. So on the other hand, support for cTrader's auto trading may be pretty limited. Okay, also moving on to the market depth functionality. So to understand the market depth is very critical for traders. So for cTrader, they provide 3 market depth assessment options with the standard depth, the price depth, and the VWAP depth. So MetaTrader 4 only provides 1 market depth feature, so there's not much data compared to cTrader. Right. So flexibility and customizations. Right. In cTrader, the flexibility for customizing indicators based on traders' personal preferences is limited. The platform for the cTrader, that's what I'm referring to. The cTrader does not allow users to customize indicators and programs. While MetaTrader 4 has a plethora of tools, there are so many tools that allows the platform to be fully customized with or without the need of programming language. So there's so many, those EAs that you can have on MetaTrader. That's what I like much more on MetaTrader. We have a trade manager. You can even pay for trade manager. Auto calculates your risk. You want to risk 1%, it helps you calculate it out. automatically without whipping out your calculator. Right, let's give it a moment. Okay, so in conclusion, both trading platforms have actually distinct advantages. MetaTrader 4 is well known for its ease of use, flexibility, and built-in tools, and the expert advisors. So, however, the cTrader strength still lies in its excellent user interfaces, the sophisticated functionalities such as market depth and numerous indicators and time frames it provides. So time frame is a very, very huge, important thing. MetaTrader 4, there is only 1 minute. All of a sudden, it jumps to 5 minutes. There's no in between. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It's missing in MetaTrader 4. And then comes to trading view also. I know we are comparing MetaTrader 4 and cTrader, but for trading view, in order to have the 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes time frame, you have to pay. You have to pay per month. So maybe it's $15, 15 US dollars a month just to have that extra feature. But on cTrader, it's free. All right. So for beginners, it's cTrader, it's much simpler to use, and once you get used to the very user-friendly features, the user may be unwilling to switch platforms unless they require additional functionality that the cTrader does not provide. As a result, in terms of the overall user experience, cTrader is a very, very fierce competitor to the market leader MT4. All right. So actually, Diana, do you still use MT4 for your trading since you prefer cTrader? Right. All right. Also, Desiree, you actually asked a good question. You actually asked just now on the slides, what is ECN, STP? You're not sure what that means. So ECN STP for cTrader, ECN means electronic communication network, while STP means straight. Okay, my pronunciation has some issue. Straight through processing. So ECN brokers, they execute by matching clients' orders, while the STP brokers execute by passing client orders to an external liquidity provider. All right. So Desiree, you also said with Apple, they now ban the download of MT4 on new phones. You're hesitant to change to new phone. You're still using your old phone just to access MetaTrader 4. May have to adapt to using cTrader eventually. Yeah, maybe it's just a good start because we never know when MetaTrader 4 will ever come back to the App Store for iPhone users. So I'm just very, very lucky that I still have the MetaTrader on my mobile. I downloaded it before it even happened. So yeah, please do not uninstall MetaTrader app if you still have it on your phone. So you're asking, is it easy to move or transfer fund across from MT4 to cTrader? So maybe we can get right into that next, Kelvin. Okay, moving on, just a very, very deep dive into cTrader. I'll just send the links, the download links. You can download it. Okay, I already sent it to chat. Right. Moving on to cTrader. So we can take a look. MetaTrader. Very, very old. It's from like past pre-2010. The interface is very, very old. But once we move on to cTrader, it's very, very modern. Very, very modern UI. So yeah, so please download it so we can take a look at it together. Take a look. So you can easily drag around. Very, very clean. You can drag around on cTrader. But one thing that I do not like about MetaTrader 4 is, let's say if I'm looking at this chart, I cannot freely move around. It just does that. Very, very ugly chart. It does not allow me to freely drag my chart around, can only move from left to right. And then we have all these kind of function on the top. Shift end of the chart to the right border, auto shift back. So it gets pretty annoying after a while just using MetaTrader 4. That's what I do not like about it. So on cTrader, you can drag around, very, very clean, very, very neat. So what we are missing, a key feature that we are missing, let me clear out this. A key feature that we are missing is the magnet tool. So if I turn on trading view, this is what I'm referring to. It's very, very important nowadays because what we want, we are trading, we want precision. Precision in our trading, we want to know exactly. Let me change the dark mode. Right. Okay, maybe I get my layout out. All right, everything's good. So what we want, we can drag it around very, very freely. It's very, very similar cTrader. You guys can actually use that. But the key feature is the magnet tool. If I turn on the magnet right there, if you draw a trend line, you pull it, take a look, it's just magnetic getting dragged onto the wicks of the candles or the body of the candle. So with that, we can do precision drawing, draw it out very nicely, very, very cleanly. All right. Yes, you like cTrader's order book. You also saw different order types. Yes, definitely, definitely. It's very, very modern. So with that, I actually will be trying out cTrader, for the next 1 week, next 2 weeks, test it out. Maybe I won't move back to MetaTrader also. So is it easier to draw fibs and channels on cTrader? It's a pain in MT4. Hard to move the points properly. So definitely, if you take a look at that, it's very, very ugly chart. Very hard to customize. Properties, you must go in properties, color scheme, background, change it to white. Okay, I won't change the color now. So let me find the fib. So you draw a fib. So hard to adjust. You cannot even pull. Take a look. You just pull. Wow, difficult. Very, very difficult. So you got to double click on it, meta MT4, then you can drag it around. And there's no magnet tool. So you don't know if you are drawing exactly at the tip of the line or slightly below. So that is lacking the magnet tool. All right, so then move on to cTrader. We have the magnet tool. Very, very nice. You draw a line. So we have right here. Oh no, you cannot plug cTrader to TradingView. cTrader is a separate trading platform. It's a trading platform like MetaTrader. So yeah, you cannot connect both. So you can actually draw a nice, maybe if you want to draw a trend line, draw a trend line down. If you draw a trend line like that, then you notice, oh, you're trying to adjust it. Cannot adjust it properly. But if you press the shift key, on your keyboard, it's like a magnet. Take a look, it starts to magnetize itself to the wicks of the candles. So you can have a very, very clean, clean drawing, very, very precise drawing using the shift key. So I'll just type it in chat. Shift key equals magnet. Right, so no problem, Ronald. No worries at all. So you can draw a fib. So maybe you can find a Fibonacci retracement. So it's right here with the letter F, Fibonacci retracement. Draw from the top to the bottom. So you can just click on it. You can easily customize. You don't have to double click. So over here, you cannot just drag it around. Okay, I got to double click it. All right. So you cannot just drag it around freely. It's very, very difficult to draw. So it gets very annoying. So you got to double click it on MetaTrader. You can drag it around. But you got to double click it back also to fix it. All right. So on cTrader, whatever things you are trying to draw is highlighted. You can right click, add some features, change the color, maybe to red, maybe to yellow. Easily, very easy, very customizable, many colors you can choose from. The thickness of the line. You can change it to dotted. Very small dotted. So many features. It's very nice, man. All right. So yeah. So this is very clean. Can customize, right click, can even lock it in place. So it cannot be adjusted around even if you accidentally click on it. So features wise is very similar to trading view. So just unlock it. So yeah, can actually draw some nice charts. So maybe you can customize this. Change the color maybe to orange to be able to see clearer. You can display prices or you can choose not to. So yeah, very customizable piece of technology right here. You can even show the multiple Fibonacci levels. So the most commonly used are already shown: 0%, 50%, 38.2%, 61.8%. But they are missing 1%, 76.4%. So yeah, you can customize it out to your own needs. Right. So maybe just a very quick one. You want a very clean chart. Just take a look. Just press on it. Right click. You want to show prices. You want to show your entry, so you can type out in a new order. Sell limit, sell buy limits. Right. Okay. Maybe let's move on to executing orders on cTrader. So yeah, any questions so far? Do let me know. Why I'm asking you guys to ask questions, in while I'm talking is because if I happen to talk until the end of the webinar, so we have another 25 minutes left. So if I talk until the end, last 5 minutes, you guys start to hammer questions in, I might not be able to see it. I might miss out on the questions. So are there more indicators? If so, yes, there is, definitely there is. I saw it over here. You can right click on the chart, move on to indicators, can turn on trend. Quite a lot of indicators right there. Quite a lot. Oscillators, volatility, you can slowly explore. You can have a custom indicators, more indicators. Move on to their website. You can download it. So I'll just send it. So if you guys are looking for indicators, you can go to that site. So can you put time frames? Or okay, you're asking different time frames or on getting them easier. Okay, you are talking about the multiple time frames. So I'll slowly answer each question by each question. Don't worry about that. So if you take a look right there at the very top, can change time frame from 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. MetaTrader, very disgusting. So it's a very strong word to use the word disgusting. What I don't like about MetaTrader, it's there's only a 5 minutes, then it's a deep dive into 1 minute. So it's it's a very stark difference. I do not like it. I want to know what's going on between the M2 minute, M3 minutes, M4 minutes, and the M5, in between. So cTrader, we have that. You can press this period button, which is the 3 dots. So clicking on that, so many minutes time frame you can add in: 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. You can just customize it so it will appear at the top. So you get more data, very clean, and it's free. The data, it's all free. You do not have to pay, unlike TradingView. So which brokers can you use? Well, you can use IC markets. You can actually take markets. It's IC markets, my bad. So over there on downloads, under accounts. So this is just a demo account. So you can open a new demo account and set the trading platform to cTrader. cTrader, account type, raw spread, currency, US dollars, and leverage can set to whatever you want. Initial deposits, okay, this is just a demo account. So yeah, just proceed with that. All right. So I will not be doing this live now. They'll ask for personal details. Move on. Okay, I will not show it. All right, you can just do that on your IC Markets dashboard. Okay, you ask, can we also save chart images? Well, definitely there is a feature. I saw it. You can take here. It's called a chart shot. So chart shot, take a screenshot on that. It might load for a bit. So yeah, it actually took photo, screenshots already. Click on that. Actually screenshotted your chart. So you actually save it to your chart shots. Take a look. You open it up. Very, very neat software. So yeah, that's your entire chart shot that you have taken just by clicking on this chart shot icon. All right. So let me check any more questions. So you're asking, can we take a trade based on your percentage of your account? Well, no, there isn't. There isn't. Well, you can actually calculate yourself right here. Lots quantity, how many lots you want to enter. You can do that. So maybe just do a quick live example in a bit. So you also ask, can you explain what is depth on the market on the right? So we are just looking at the number of buyers and sellers at certain areas. How is like a volume indicator. Can just hide it. So we have the auto chartist thing, which is also very, very cool. So with that, you can actually press on it. There's a more patterns. You can see more patterns, what is going on. Can click on it. Click on it. Open up. It shows you. Go, wow, auto charted tells you the channel up, daily, all kind of stuff. Pretty cool thing. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's all built in. Okay, Bob, you ask, can cTrader use more than one processor? MT4 is limited to one processor and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, maybe you can check it out. cTrader requirements desktop. So yeah, you can actually see the requirements right here on cTrader. I'll just send the link to the chat. You can check it out right there. Minimum is still dual core. So yeah, it's actually more than MetaTrader. There's a very, very good point, MetaTrader. Okay, I got to verify this info, MetaTrader for requirements. Processor. Right. It's still multiple cores. I don't think you can use a single core processor on MetaTrader or any apps these days. Minimum dual core. All right. So yeah, same thing is about the same requirements, MetaTrader 4 and cTrader. So you want to save templates and profile. So yeah, I don't think there is a profile saving option unlike TradingView. So maybe TradingView, beats cTrader in that. So actually, I still use TradingView. TradingView very, 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 very often. Right. So you actually want to ask. Okay, where's my device? Let me pull this out right here. Okay, let me adjust something. We are just adjusting the. Okay. Yeah, this definitely looks very good. It's very, very clean. So I'm just adjusting all the questions, everything just pulling aside nicely. It's a bit messy right here. Oh yes, definitely you can back test. You can back test, optimizing a bot. You can start a bot. Okay, maybe I just show it to you. So yeah, there's a link. I'll just send it to you to the chat. That's for Desiree. Is it Desiree? No, it's for Ali. So Ali, that link is for you. Can you check volume profile? So yeah, indicators maybe is under there, volume. What kind of indicator are you using? Maybe I can find it. Do let me know what kind of volume indicator that you are looking for. So you want to put pending orders on cTrader. Let us get to that. That's the most important part about using cTrader. So let's say we want to have a market order. Just press buy. So maybe our lot size. Just place the order right there. Place order. Process. So take a look. We are currently in a buy. So you can pull it down. You can take a look. I'm not sure if it's clear. If you highlight it over the 0.01 lot. Stop loss, you can pull it. Maybe we have a stop loss below. So it even tells us we will lose $5.43. It's not that clear, but if you download it, it will tell you how much you will lose. And your take profit, maybe set it up. Maybe I'll move on to the 15-minute chart. Take profit, you can pull up, you can pull it higher. You know, to the top, they'll tell you you're making $6.27. You can see how much you are in the negative at the moment, negative how many pips, the lot size you are using. So it's pretty clean. You can even exit out if you do not want to take profits. You can take it back. Stop loss, exit out very easily done. Wow. Anyhow, enter a trade also making some small amounts. Right, that's not bad. All right. So okay, let's see where we are going. So it's just a random test that we are doing. Yeah, very nice features, very clean. All right, give me a moment. All right. So somebody also asked on the trailing stop loss. All right. Wow, we are just moving up. Just moving up on a random trade. Right. We have the trailing stop loss. So for trailing stop loss, maybe we can dive into that later on. I'll just send the link to the chat first. You can manage your pending order. I'll just send everything to chat first. We are going to dive into the more important one. How to do a limit order, buy stop limit. All right. Okay, well, you actually asked, so you actually did clarify your question on the back testing. You're not looking for a robot. You're not looking for EA back tester. You're looking for manual back testing, a similar replay tool like TradingView. Well, there isn't. Unfortunately, there isn't. You have to use TradingView to back test it, or have a EA, a robot, to back test your trade, to back test your strategy. All right. So you Shaker, you also ask how many indicators can you put on screen? Is there a limit? Well, you can test it out. How many indicators do you use? That's a very good question. Because you're asking how many indicators can we put on a chart. Are you doing 4 or 5 indicators? Many different indicators. So you want to ask for a pending order? Well, we can get right into that. Pending order. So let's have maybe a buy stop. Let's have a buy stop order. So we have an entry price, let's say at 17, maybe right there, 1773.9. Hopefully price hits. So we place the buy stop order is there. So I'll just close out my current buy trade so you can take a look. It's under orders, under positions. Close out my net profit, just close it out. So we have a buy stop in place right there. So when price hits, that's your buy stop. You can just drag it around. You can pull it up, pull it down. That's your buy stop order. Your stop loss, nicely below. Take profit, same thing. Can drag it up. Yeah, hopefully we can see that buy stop get activated live. Definitely want to see it get activated live here. Right, no problem, Moses. All's good, all's good. Well, okay, just stretching. All right. So Desiree, you ask, can you see? You want to see the news tab? Let's take a look. Well, pretty nice. The news tab right there. You want to show what it is? Can we pull in news timing to the screen like TradingView? I don't think we are able to do that like TradingView. Where you can actually view the news, live news at the corner, auto chartist, news, calendar, what is going on next, news for today. So it's pretty much a very, very nice modern application that you guys can try to look into. Maybe you can try this week, see whether you guys like it, download the app. It's a very, very good replacement for MetaTrader for people who are using iPhones. All right. You use an EA in MetaTrader 4 to calculate position size before the trade. Can you do this in cTrader? Well, there's a EA. Well, you can actually search up. There's EAs you can search up. Maybe cTrader has it. cTrader. Trade manager. Well, you can actually search on Google. There is quite a few people selling. There are actually, on the cTrader store, multiple trade manager that you can take a look into. I'll just find the cTrader, algo bots. Okay, I will not be recommending any of them. So yeah, you can actually Google it out. I'll just type it. cTrader Trade Manager on Google. You can search it out. That's for you, Bob. Okay, Ronald, you ask, can you show the countdown bar? What do you mean by that? The countdown bar? Hopefully you can clarify what you mean. Okay, price is hitting into the buy stop entry, so it's under the orders. Hopefully it hits. Okay, you're asking what's the difference between buy limit and buy stop. Okay, let me get. Okay, maybe I should draw it out on TradingView. Give me a moment. Right. Just a very, very quick explanation on what is buy limit. So looking, let's say this is a buy limit. Just a line. Very, very quick one. Where's the line only? All right. You're looking for a buy right. Okay, let's say you're looking for a buy right there. Price has to come up. This is a buy limit order. Price goes up, comes down, taps in, taps and go. So this is a buy limit. Buy limit order. All right. So next, that's a very quick one. What is the buy stop? So buy stop is when price comes down, then you search to buy to the upside. So this is a buy stop order. So that's the difference. Same thing goes to sell stop. Sell stop, it's when I'll just do a very quick one. Price goes down, sell limit goes up and hits down. So this is a sell limit order. Tax rate, sell limits order. And what is a sell stop? Price does something like that. Then you are looking for immediate sell. Sell stop order. So I'll just screenshot this and send it to chat, Copy link to the chart image. I'll send the chart limit. Send it to the chat. Okay, that's for you, Moses. Hopefully that helps you in differentiating the different orders. All right, so no problem, man. Okay, next question. So let me look through quite a few next questions. So you actually want, so that's a very, very good question. You actually want something like trading view. There's a countdown clock. Okay, I'm not sure why that isn't there. So I think I turn off the setting somewhere. So you're actually looking for the countdown clock. How many seconds more to the next candle? Well, you actually, there isn't. There isn't. You need okay, I'm a bit dry. Give me a moment. You can actually use a countdown timer, some kind of indicator. You can actually search it on Google. So there are quite a few features possibly lacking. So yeah, you can actually use TradingView if you guys want, you are lacking those features, but in the meantime, feel free to try out cTrader just for this week. So you want to export. Somebody asked a very, very cool question on they want to import an external indicator on cTrader. Well, you can actually do that. Let me find it. Well, you can find it right here. Maybe it's right here. Indicators. More indicators. Not sure if you can do that. So well, you can. I send the link to the chat. You can explore it right there. Many indicators. You can download it. Can drag it in on the store. I just send it to chat. So yeah, no problem on that, Moses. So Ronald, you like cTrader a lot. You have been using it for 3 weeks now, and you are looking for the tools. Well, you can slowly explore on that link right there. Take your time. It's very, very new. When using a cTrader, it just reminds me a lot on the time I first started using TradingView. Many features I did not know about. Yeah. So yeah, okay, just looking at the charts. All right, the position has hit. The buy limit has been hit right there. So I can start to, adjust my stop loss. Below, maybe below right there. Take profit, maybe pull it up somewhere at a high just to target the the previous high. All right. Okay. Any more questions, do let me know. All right. So there's a you ask, you want to copy and install indicator. So let's say we have this indicator store right there. So maybe I'm not sure, maybe I'll just download a random indicator. So maybe this guy, not sure who is that. So you can click on it. Let's click on it. It will show indicator has been successfully installed. Very, very fast, very, very easy. So right click. So where's the indicators, custom indicators, just now I installed this blank tool thing. Okay, not sure what does it do, it just randomly downloaded it. Alright, it's not supposed to show that. So let me delete that. I have to clear the indicators. Alright. Okay, our buy stop trade is in a loss right now. So have you, so how is it? Did I do it too fast? So yeah, I will not be opening the folders because there's a way to delete it. You can actually delete your indicators right there. So just for privacy concerns, since I'm on a company computer, I'll not be opening the the documents areas where to delete it. So I'll just send the link how to clear it if you don't want it anymore. The custom indicators. Hey, thank you. Thanks for the understanding. So yeah. Hey, no problem. Getting a lot of info. Well, it's very, very good. Glad that you guys joined. Glad you guys learned a lot. So yeah, no problem, Ronald. Any more questions, Any more questions before I end this webinar? Do let me know. Just send it right into chat. I'll give you guys a minute, a minute more just to send more questions. So yeah, until, my timing 6:26 is just a minute more. So yeah, for this week, I suggest really for you guys to just test out, just try out cTrader. Feel free to try out, download it on your phone. Those who are on iPhones, just try it. If you don't have the MetaTrader app, use it. Maybe it might come very, very handy. So yeah, oh yes, I haven't shown you guys the price alert. Forgot to show you guys this very, very key feature. So you press on the price alert. Okay, it's taking a while to load. Press the price alert. So you can actually click on that, pull it. So maybe you want to set an alert right there. Set an alert right there. Ask, notify when price hits. You can alert list, can create alerts. So yeah, the alerts is in place over here under price alerts right here. You can actually pull your alerts around, or you can delete your alert. You can drag it around. It's free. Can exit, delete the alert very, very easily. Right. So yes, you like cTrader, Bob. You are going to try it. Yes, definitely. I will be trying to use it out also for maybe the next 2-3 weeks. Test it out. Very, very clean interface. So only on webinars we can get in contact with you. Do we have more webinars? Well, coming to that question, you can actually, where's the, all right. So if you are interested, you can actually contact me, if I'm free. You can actually find me on my TradingView account. That is me. I'll send the link to the chat. So you can actually follow me right here, actually do some forecast. You can just chat me up, can just press message, can message me there if you have any questions, questions. So if you have charts, some kind of problem want to ask, feel free to send your chart over. I'll try my best whenever I'm free to give my take on it. So actually do some, some potential forecast. So I was just looking at euro where price can potentially go. So maybe take a look. So yeah, price is just frolicking around the area. Not much movement. Not sure if this happened. Well, it took a while. Right. So yeah, no problem. Just message me there whenever you want. So can we download on Android phone? Yes, definitely. cTrader, Android. So let's take a look. I'll just send the link to the chat. That's the cTrader app for iOS. It's cTrader iOS, and download it right here. Send everything to chat. Is there a reason why you would use cTrader if you had a TradingView account? Well, it's pretty nice. It's pretty customizable. Some people, if you have a TradingView account, you are very, very, used to TradingView. Especially there are some features that cTrader doesn't have. Feel free to continue using cTrader. But this webinar is for traders who are using MetaTrader, MT4 just to trying to chart there. cTrader would definitely be the better option in terms of charting, in terms of the UI. So yeah, that's why we are comparing cTrader versus MetaTrader 4. Simon, hope I answered your question. So that's really glad that you have a better impression of cTrader now. Well, definitely. Definitely. Well, Ronald, yes, you think it's definitely better. No problem, man. So yeah, if there are no further questions, feel free to explore cTrader on your own. Feel free to download it, tonight during the New York session. Maybe you can test it out, try trading on it. Who knows? Maybe you like it better than MetaTrader. So well, really thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for joining me today. Well, hey, Simon, you said thank you for this very informative webinar. Really pleased I did this webinar. Well, I really do hope I can do more webinars too, especially on the smart money concepts. So yeah, thank you. No problem, Rojin. Mr. SMC. All right. So yeah, I'll just take photo of that down. That's pretty funny. So yeah. Hey, no problem, Kelvin. Hey, no problem, Ronald. No problem, Abdul. Hey, thanks for no problem for the information inspiration. All right. Hope to have the SMC webinar soon. Yes, definitely. I've told Desmond about it. He will be sorting that out. Hey, no problem, Desiree. Hey, thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Say I present very well. Thank you so much. Thanks for your kind words. Bye, AJ. Thank you. Can we link cTrader with IC Market? Yes, you can, Edmund. You can link it on under your accounts. Create a new account. I'll just send it to chat. Create a new account on your dashboard and link it. Create a new account for cTrader. Hey, have a good evening, you too. Hey, thanks a lot. Did very well, Aki Sin. Hey, thank you. Hope I did better than my first webinar on Wyckoff. That time I was pretty nervous talking to you guys. So yeah, thank you. Thanks, Ronald. Hey, bye guys. Take care. Hope to see you guys soon on next webinar. Trade safe. Hey, bye. Hey, bye, Simon. Bye. Hey, you guys have a great day. Bye. I'll just end this right now. Bye.